guys, so today I'm going to do an open cup technique except with a little sun sort of shape, I don't know, cartoon sun. So look at the paintings that we framed. So this is the squirrel painting from our previous video. If you don't remember, check it out after this one. It was in a battle between other squirrels. And this one is a tree landscape that wasn't in a battle because this was like the only battle with other squirrels. So make sure to go check those ones out after this video. So for now, let's just get started. So now we have our sun shape. I told you it wasn't going to be so much like a star. And our canvas. And our black. So now we're going to get all our other colors. Okay, so we have our colors, but I forgot we're doing the background first. So gonna open the black. Okay, now let's pour all the colors on the star. So we're starting side and then swiping it diagonally. Okay, purple's gonna be first. I'm gonna make it darkest. In this, I'm gonna make it darkest to lightest. Is the painting. Yeah, that's gonna need a lot of silicone oil. A lot. Okay. So now we're going to put the silicone oil. silicone. Okay, now we're going to torch. Okay, we're torching now. So, this is how it turned out. I think this is a giant cell of purple and purple. So, same with here. Can't make the cell even, just too big. I love the metallic blue cells. See over here? I like the metallic blue and make it stand out and shine. So, this is going to be the end of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notifications bell, and peace.